so this is day 4 of the Charlie's Nail Art Advent Calendar opening. So I'm going to jump straight into it. So this is the first one. So this is the first calendar. So this is the one with like the mixed calendar. So they're brand new items. So today, oh, look at them. Wow. They are super pretty. Wow. Unicorn teardrops. Oh, they are cute. Oh, look at them. I'm definitely going back and grabbing some more of these because I like these. Because I've got the other ones that she sells. These ones. These smaller ones. There's no name on that one. But these are originally mine. This is the new one. So yeah, so there's the smaller one she does. And now she does teardrops. Oh my god, I need them. Need them. And you get 6 as well. Oh, they're so pretty. So unicorn teardrops. And then this is the calendar one, glitter one. So let's have a look. And we're going to see it together. Ready? Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, who wants to come to my Christmas holo party? Oh my god, I'm gobsmacked. Oh my. I need a tray. So we can have a look at this together. And you get 4 grams. Oh, it's so pretty. Really pretty. Wow. Oh, who is excited to see this out of the bag? Wow. That's what it looks like in the bag. Let's have a look. Wow. Square glitter. Wow. Oh my. OMG. Camera is freaking out. I'm trying to part it a little bit more. Not that I need to, because if you can't see that, then you shouldn't buy this glitter because it's going to blind you even more. Wow. Oh, wow. I can't stop looking at it. Right, I'm going to do a swatch. Right, I should be right back. Okay, so here is the big like reveal. So let's have a look. Wow, that is amazing. Obviously this is just done just over a clear nail tip, but sorry, but if you were to do that over a colour, it would pop even more, or you just add more glitter. But wow, look at that. Wow, that is amazing. Wow, so that is called Diva. Wow. Oh, let me put that in the lamp. Wow. So we got some unicorn teardrops, which are super cute, and obviously they are flat back, but they are so cute. Really nice colours. Really pretty colours. So that's unicorn teardrops, and we have this amazing mix called Diva. Wow, look at that. Ho. Imagine that on New Year's Eve. Wow, everyone would be like, oh wow, where did you get that mix from? Oh yeah, imagine that, New Year's Eve. Wow. Put some black, maybe put some black behind it so it pops even more. Beautiful. It would be amazing. You'd definitely be called a diva, I tell you. Right. So here is the swatch again, absolutely stunning, and I will post some pictures at the end. Wow, oh, that is amazing. Wow. So there you have it. That is today's reveal. So let me know your thoughts down below. Are you going to run over and get this? Oh, it's really, really nice. I think I'm going to have to go and pick up some more, because I think I will probably want to use that in a lot of videos, to be honest. Wow, I just can't get over it. So yeah, anyway, I will post some pictures at the end. Don't forget my discount code. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And hopefully you'll come back tomorrow. Okay, thank you everybody for watching, and pictures at the end.